2011 F350 Lariat, Super Duty, crew cab, short bed. Platinum pearl white pickup. This truck is lifted probably about 4 inches. Fresh 35-inch tires, 20-inch fuel wheels. Firm's actually in really good shape on the wheels. Tires are 95% full. The kit looks like it was installed very recently. Does still have all of its emissions in place, even though it does have aftermarket exhaust. All the components are still under it. Color matched fender flares. Rear view camera. Spray and bed liner. Clean leather Lariat interior. Touchscreen stereo with navigation. Heated cooled seats. No check engine lights. Tailgate with step. Does have a sunroof. Husky floor mats. Lockable tray underneath the seat. Hear it running? Well, you can barely hear it running for a diesel, but runs great. Nice clean Ford diesel Super Duty. If you have any questions, give us a call or check out the website. This and many others in stock, ready to go.